Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, July 18th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So, I still believe this is an A. I think this is three ways down for a B, and I think we're currently in a uptrend, which I think is more likely going to be an expanding flat, and most likely is a wave C. I think it will most likely end up taking out these previous highs. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I definitely think this right here is a wave 1. I think this is a WXY of 2, and I think we're in subdivisions of a wave 3, which on these higher time frames should continue to make higher highs and higher lows. Going down to the daily time frame, we are at a Fibonacci level on the daily, which may end up causing a pullback. We'll see. It may or may not. And for me, the most recent structure is right here, so unless it breaks this structure right here, I am definitely only looking for longs, and I'm only looking to go long on pullbacks on shorter time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame is where you can see that I got my Fibonacci retracement on just this last push up right here. If this market does continue to trend, then it will definitely bounce off one of these fib levels and then continue the uptrend like that. If it does go down and break structure, then I still think it would be an uptrend. I think it would just be a crescent to the whole trend and not a crescent to just the last wave of the trend. So let's take it right down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, I'm definitely looking at this as either way here, most likely a wave A, could be a wave 1. I think this right here is likely a wave B, possibly a wave 2. I'm watching these Fibonacci retracement levels very, very closely. If price does go down to any one of these three Fibonacci levels, make a nice big engulfing move to the upside, break structure to the upside, then I definitely will go long again for the continuation of the uptrend. For me, unless price breaks this structure right here, I'm doing nothing but looking for longs at the end of every single pullback I see. Especially with these trends that we're seeing on the higher time frames, which I believe are wave 3s. We definitely want to treat the trend as our friend because these are very strong uptrends until we have some sort of proof that it's going down like a break of structure. Definitely very, very bullish. This trend could keep on making higher highs and higher lows. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.